Hey guys, it's Raleigh Mason again, Mejaro Inspection Services, and we're checking out a water heater today, brand new install. A couple things we're going to call out. Down below, we don't have any sort of drain pan to allow for overflow if that should fail at the bottom. We like to see that pan installed, a pipe installed as well to allow drainage into another system below, in the crawl in this case. Plus, there's no expansion tank installed on this, and they should be installed with every new water heater. We're missing that. One of the other things that's pretty interesting, you don't see a lot, is we have black iron put in place here, this black nipple. One here and one here. It's not rated for water, so that's going to have to be replaced and swapped out. We're going to put that in the report, and the customer's going to get that taken care of.